So someone asked me if I could do a video of how you get the strips of these. And you'll see I've been putting these all around the reveal here for this door. I'm just going to put this one in place there. Before I do that, I'm going to tear this off here. And all I need to do is tear a little bit off at the start. So there you see. And that's what's going to be left once I've torn the whole thing off. But I keep this on for the moment because that's useful to put the plastic up that then protects the door when I'm putting the final coats of render on. So I just put this in place now with that little bit torn off. So there it's in place now, and that little bit's torn off, so that when I come to finish the rendering on it, I'll just tear the whole thing off and it'll leave a nice clean line down here. Okay, so I'm about to take off the plastic strip from the APU bead here. So as you saw, I put this blue plastic over it to stop the door from getting too much onto it. At the moment it's just dust that's on the door, that'll come off very easily. Now, I rendered to quite thin here, which means that there's plenty of space for me to bend this back, but I do still have some render that's sticking out slightly over the top. So I've been taking that off with a screwdriver like this, just cutting a little line there, which will make it easy to bend back. Once I've done all of that, I'll just bend the APU bead back, and it should come off. Okay, let's try. There we go. Bending back nicely, you can hear it snapping. I'll just do that all the way down, and you can see it's coming off. And now let's see what happens. Comes off here, didn't quite pull it back enough there. Well, that's okay. There, it's all off. And that's beautiful. Now I just have to do that all the way around, and this will be done. And here it's done. I've just cleaned up the doors a little bit. You can see it's got a beautiful edge around it, and it's completely finished. That really wasn't too much work at all, and certainly not anything beyond a fairly simple DIY job.